Hi. Okay, let's provide a solution here. Square root of x plus 2x equals 3. By the way, if you're new to my channel, subscribe so that you have access to my videos. And if you need online lessons, okay, you can also reach out to me so that we'll deal with it. Now, let's continue from here. This has to be made a subject because our target is how do we remove this. So let's go. How do we remove the square root? And to do that, it has to be alone first. So we have root x. That will now be what? 3 minus 2x. So to remove the square root now, we will now square it. And whatever that you do on one side, you will do on the other side. Now some students will do it like this, and that will be wrong. Okay, because the power here now is for x alone. So you have to put it in bracket since the power is for everything on the right hand side. Now this is going with this. X is alone and is equal to 3 minus 2x multiplied by 3 minus 2x. Okay, so we continue from here as x will now be 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times this is minus 6x. Then this times this is minus 6x. This times this is plus 4x squared. Okay, now this is x being equal to 9 minus 12x. Then we have plus 4x squared. Then there will be need for us to rearrange so that this one will appear first. This is 4x squared now. I will write minus 12x. This right here is minus x on the other side. Then we have plus 9. Then we equate to 0. Some of my students will ask, since we've shifted everything to the same side, do we need to have equal sign again? The answer is yes. If you remove the equal sign, you can no longer solve it. You can only simplify it, okay? So we have to include equal sign and get 0 on the right. 4x squared minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. And I believe you remember your quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided through by a divided through by 2a. And our a, let me write it here. A is 4, b is minus 13, and c is 9. So let's put this into this formula now so that our x will be minus b. That will be minus 13 plus or minus b squared will be minus 13 squared minus 4 times a is 4 and c is 9. So this is divided by 2 times a, which is 4. So we will proceed from here. Okay, so x now is 13 because negative is positive, plus or minus 13 squared is 169, negative will become positive, then minus 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 9 is 144, then we divide by 8. Okay, so let us continue so that x will now be 13 plus or minus square root of 25, because 25 plus 144 is 169. Then we divide by 2. Now x is equal to 13 plus or minus 5 over 8. This is supposed to be 8 and not 2. Now this is 2 in 1, so we can break it and get 13 plus 5 over 8, or 13 minus 5. Okay, this is 5. Then we have over 8. Okay, so x will now be, this plus this will give us 18. That is over 8. Or this minus this will give us 8. Then we have 8 over 8. From here, 18, let's reduce it to the lowest fraction. So we have 2 into that is 9, and 2 into this is 4, or 8 over 8 is 1. Now, what is the equation? The equation is the square root of x plus 2x equals 3. Okay, so if you put in this value, you're not going to get 3, because this is square root of 9 over 4 plus 2 multiplied by x. This x becomes 9 over 4 again. Now, will this give us 3? The answer is no, because this is going to be 3 over 2 from here, then plus, this will go here. Okay, 2 will go here. How many times? 2 times. So this means that we'll have 9 over 2 from here. And at the end, big 2, we have 3 plus 9. And that will be 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. And that is not what we have over there. So let's try the 1. Square root of 1 plus 2 multiplied by x is going to be 1 now, right? Now square root of 1 will give us 1, plus 2 times 1 is also 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And the same number we have on the other side. So it is only x equals 1 that satisfies this equation, square root of x plus 2x equals 3. In case you're asking, why is the other solution not satisfied? Because this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so it is to have only one solution. But if it was originally quadratic, then we'll be having two solutions. Thank you for watching.